Imagine standing in complete darkness, gazing at Earth, a tiny, fragile marble floating in the vast emptiness of space. Globe, what would that do to your perspective on life? For astronauts, this moment is called the overview effect, and it has profoundly transformed the way they see the world. Let's explore what the overview effect is, how it changes lives, and how you can experience this shift in perspective without ever leaving the ground. 1. What is the overview effect? The overview effect was first described by philosopher Frank White, who interviewed astronauts about their experiences in space. When astronauts see Earth from orbit or the Moon, they often feel an overwhelming sense of awe. Borders disappear, divisions between nations fade away, and they are left with a deep understanding of humanity's interconnectedness. Many describe a new sense of purpose, wanting to protect our planet and work toward global unity. As astronaut Edgar Mitchell explained, you develop an instant global consciousness, a people orientation, an intense dissatisfaction with the state of the world, and a compulsion to do something about it. 2. The astronaut experience. For many astronauts, the overview effect is deeply emotional and transformative. 1. Chris Hadfield, former commander of the International Space Station, described how seeing Earth from space made him realize how small and precious our world is. 1. He said it inspired him to view humanity as a single family, living on a shared planet. 2. Nicole Stott, an astronaut and artist, spoke about how the experience moved her to paint Earth as a symbol of unity and connection. These stories show how the overview effect can ignite a profound desire to care for both people and the planet. 3. Why does the overview effect matter? This shift in perspective can have far-reaching benefits. 1. Empathy and unity. Astronauts often feel a stronger connection to all of humanity. 1. They stop seeing divisions like politics and borders and start seeing the world as one interconnected whole. 2. Environmental awareness. Seeing Earth's thin atmosphere from space emphasizes how delicate and vital it is. 2. Many astronauts return as passionate advocates for sustainability and environmental protection. 3. Awe and purpose. The sheer wonder of viewing Earth from space can inspire a renewed sense of purpose, reminding us of the beauty and fragility of life. These insights can inspire all of us to focus on what truly matters: relationships, cooperation, and caring for our shared home. 4. How can you experience the overview effect without leaving Earth? You don't need to be an astronaut to adopt a cosmic perspective. Here are some ways to cultivate the overview effect in your life. 1. Connect with nature. Spend time in nature, especially in places where you can see the vastness of the sky or landscapes. Stargazing, hiking in remote areas, or visiting national parks can give you a deeper appreciation for Earth's beauty and fragility. 2. Learn about the universe. Watch documentaries like Planet Earth, Cosmos, or The Overview Effect. Read books on space exploration or visit a planetarium. Expanding your understanding of the universe can help you see Earth as part of a much larger whole. 3. Practice gratitude and reflection. Take time to reflect on your place in the world. Journaling, meditation, or guided visualizations can help you develop a sense of interconnectedness and purpose. 4. Broaden your horizons. Engage with people from different cultures, travel to new places, or participate in global initiatives. Understanding diverse perspectives helps foster empathy and unity, key lessons of the overview effect. 5. Applying a cosmic perspective to your life. By adopting a cosmic perspective, you can 1. Let go of petty concerns and focus on what truly matters. 2. Cultivate greater empathy and compassion for others. 3. Feel inspired to take action to protect the planet and support global causes. Remember, we're all passengers on Spaceship Earth, sharing this incredible journey through the cosmos. Globe. 6. The big picture. The overview effect reveals a powerful truth: life is interconnected, fragile, and precious. In a universe filled with billions of stars and planets, Earth is a rare and extraordinary place that deserves our care and protection. This perspective can help us transcend divisions, embrace a sense of unity, and work together to build a better future for all. The overview effect reminds us that we are all part of something greater. By embracing this perspective, you can live with more empathy, purpose, and awe. How would seeing Earth from space change your perspective on life? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video inspiring, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more explorations of cosmic mysteries and life-changing ideas. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.